Lakliba tang tara threat thang zonumit ayuk pung mangada Ukhrul Forest Division Manipur Forest Department amasung Seven Sister Foundation Manipur Olympic Association ge lamjing makada marathon race amasung thresh race sung soi dana sinjaragani marathon race asina kilometer taraga mathoini akhoi gi starting point sina district forest office Ukhrul dagi hauraga Siri village pok chain ge daba masida mana mathum yam chawna sinjari first prize ta lising kunthra second prize ta lising kun third prize ta lising tara aduga 10 consolation prize phangakpa sanaroi khuding makna lising ani ga chamanga pijagani aduga thresh race sida we distance cover sina Ukhrul gi headquarter DFO sidagi hauzaraga paksi ground da stoppage point oigini masida akhoina organizing committee na pijage dobuna hand glove aduga dustbin plastics chain na akoina amot akai khun ge doba pot mayam di plastic ki products loina plastic papers plastic wrappers plastic bottles plastic lid cap gumba hapchalaga aduda minute nifu ga manga pijage ni akoina purakli ba sanaroi mayam duna mayom duda akoina weight tamgani weight khwaidagi yamba duna first second third pijagani consolation prize leijadre first prize aduna lising kun second prize aduna lising tara third prize na lising manga aduga participant khuding makta akhoina t-shirt amamam pijagani t-shirt aduda safe nongin han I aina participant khuding makta akhoina certificate of appreciation yanthok chagani Manipur da lairiba sanaroi mayam ifurup mayam na sungsoi soidana masida saruk yabiyu organizing committee ki maikai dege noluk na ningsingjari thank you